Hello guys, today I've got Sennheiser Momentum 5 headphones and I'm going to show you how you can easily create your own sound zone. At first, in the application called Sennheiser Smart Control Plus, we need to scroll down here to the sound zone. Let's tap New Sound Zone. And now we've got description. What are sound zones? Automatically apply sound settings when entering or leaving a zone. Create zones for your home, work, gym, etc. And put your sound settings on autopilot. So here we can tap Continue and New Sound Zone. Here we can name our sound zone by tapping on it. For example, work. Here we've got our location, like our current location, and of course a radius, like we can increase the radius for example up to 1 kilometer or 100 meters, like the minimum value. If we tap this thing, we can change the location of our sound zone, and here if we scroll a little bit down, we can see what changes you want to set. Like for example, EQ preset, we've got no action, and we can enable this, enable bass boost for example, or some other presets. We can set it up here. We've got noise control, and we can manage the ANC also right here, and the same for living zone, save sound zone, and here we've got our sound zone. We can enable and disable it or delete, and of course customize. That's how it works.